Welcome. If you're experiencing a little bit of that lower back pain, then this class is for you. Perhaps you went through a period of inactivity, sitting at your desk, or maybe traveling in a train or plane somewhere far away and sitting for a long time. Or maybe just the opposite. Maybe you were very active in the last days and you're also experiencing that stiffness and pain in the lower back. So today we will try to release that through very simple and gentle movements. Let's begin in all fours position. With your hands beneath your shoulders and knees about hip-width distance apart, with the next inhale, lift the chin, arching the spine, and then exhale, down the back, push the floor away from you and bring the chin to your chest. And finding a range that works for you here. So you might be working with a very small range and then progressively trying to increase that range depending on how your lower back is feeling. Let's do another 5 rounds of this. And again, follow your own rhythm. And last one. And then come to neutral position of your spine and step the left foot out to the side. From here, as you inhale, extend the left arm up to the sky. And then exhale, bring the hand to your chest and then reach your left elbow to the ground. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, hand curls into the chest, elbow to the ground. Inhale up. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale. A few more rounds and you can follow your own rhythm here. Inhaling as you reach up, exhaling as you reach down. Let's do one more. The next time you reach up, stay here and bring the right foot off the mat and slowly step the left foot to the back of your mat. When you're ready, reach the left arm overhead to elongate the left side of your body and stay breathing into this shape. And then release and return to all fours position and switch sides. Step the right foot out to the side, grounding through the sole of your foot. And inhale, extend the right arm up. And as you exhale, curl in, hand to the chest, elbow to the floor. Inhale, reach. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale, and continue at your own rhythm a few more times. And last one. Now next time you reach up, stay here, then left foot comes off the mat, swing the right leg to the back, and then extend the right arm up and overhead for that nice long stretch. One more. And as you exhale, release, returning to all fours position. In all fours, bring the big toes together, separate the knees, and then bring the hips down towards your heels. And if this feels like too much, as you reach the hands forward and bring the forehead to the mat, you can try keeping the knees together instead. And again, reach forward. And if that's too much as well, maybe you want to place the hands just beside your knees for support. So pick a variation that works for the lower back today. Now with the next inhale, start coming up to a seated position. And then swing the legs forward. Hands behind you, feet about hip-width distance apart or slightly wider. And then swing the knees over to the right side and to the left side for windshield wipers. And continue, finding your own rhythm and breathing through the nose as you move. Last few rounds. Now, if that feels like enough, you could continue doing the windshield wipers, or alternatively, swing the legs to the left and then stay here, bringing the hands, framing the knee with the hands, and then see if you can switch that shape, going to the right, framing the right knee with the hands. So turning the torso a little bit. And again, walking the hands over as you flip. Walking the hands over as we switch sides. Let's do it 3 more times in both directions. And the next time you come to the left side, stay here and walk the hands forward. And that might be enough of a stretch, or you could walk them a little bit farther forward, bringing the torso down, or maybe even coming onto your forearms. Take a few deep breaths here. And then inhale, come back up, switch to the other side, and then walk the hands forward and hold. And then back through the center. And then find a supine position, laying on your back with the knees bent, about hip-width distance apart. Arms alongside the body. Then as you inhale, prepare, then exhale. Bring the lower back by curling your tailbone under to the floor. And then with the next inhale, lift the hips to bridge position, lifting a little bit lower than you would normally do. So trying to create that straight line without overarching the lower back, keeping the lower back in that flat position, so to say. So engaging the muscles around your core. And then exhale, bring the lower back to the ground and release. And let's repeat. Bring the lower back to the ground, inhale, lift up. And then exhale, start releasing, lower back to the ground and let go. Curl the tailbone under, lower back to the ground, inhale, lift. And exhale, lower and release. Again, lower back to the ground, inhale, lift. And exhale, release. One more time, lower back to the ground, press it in, inhale, lift. And exhale, release. And then draw the right knee to your chest, interlace the fingers behind your back. As you inhale, extend the leg straight. And then exhale, release. Inhale, extend. And exhale. 3 more times. And then next time you extend your leg, stay here and then flex and point the foot. And then release and switch sides. Bring the left knee to the chest, interlace the fingers behind the thigh. Inhale, extend the leg to your ability, of course. Maybe the knee won't be straight all the way. Exhale, release. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. 2 more times. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. And then next time the leg is straight, flex and point the foot. And then release. Bring the feet down to the floor, then cross the right ankle over the left knee, and then bring the left leg towards you, again interlacing the fingers behind the thigh, and breathe here. With the next exhale, let go and then switch sides. Left ankle crosses over the right knee and then bring the right leg towards your chest, hands bind behind the thigh. And with the next exhale, release. Then bring both knees to the chest, hug them in, and gently rock from side to side. And then to make it back to sitting, turn to your preferred side and then press away from the floor, finding a comfortable seated position. And you could repeat this short sequence once more. I hope you found it helpful. And as always, listen to your body. Make sure that none of those movements makes any harm to your body. It's supposed to feel good. And I hope it did. Thanks so much for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next class.